Elevate your chinchilla's playtime. Top 5 toys and accessories. Dive into a world of happiness and enrichment for your furry friend with our premium selection of toys, treats, and accessories specially designed to keep your chinchilla entertained and healthy. Discover the secret to a vibrant and playful bond with your beloved pet today. Number 1. Flexible wood hideout for chinchillas. This flexible bridge by Pulse Brands makes a great bridge, tunnel, or ramp for guinea pigs, chinchillas, dwarf rabbits, ferrets, tortoises, bearded dragons, reptiles, amphibians, and other small animals. The wooden sticks are held together by wire and can be bent into shape, completely safe for your pets to chew. All natural, kiln-dried paulownia wood held together by wire, 21 inch by 11.75 inches. What we like: flexible and bendable. No paints or chemicals in the wood. Completely safe for your pets to chew. Suitable for small animals. What we don't like: may not be very sturdy. Number 2. XLpeixin 300 grams snack sweet bamboo chew toy for hamster chinchilla. Chinchilla bamboo sticks are the molar toy of natural sweet bamboo. Squirrels, rabbits, dragon cats, guinea pigs, hamsters, and other pets. It can be conducive to the healthy growth of pet teeth. It also allows pets to have fun biting sweet bamboo when they are bored in the cage. Because the taste is good, pets will finish eating them with no waste. What we like: use 100% natural sweet bamboo. Nutritious and good for pets. Chew toy for small pets. Vitamin A C, about 2/2 milligrams. Protein, about 0.4 grams per 100 grams. Dietary fiber, about 0.6 g per 100 grams. Energy, about 64 cal per 100 grams. What we don't like: may contain additives. Number 3. Grddaef hanging chew Rattan ring toys and treats grinding teeth for chinchilla. All toys are made of natural materials such as apple wood, loofah timothy grass, and wood vines. Very safe for your lovely pets to play and chew. Their materials are not only rich in fibers that can clean your pet's tooth and promote digestion, but also excellent toys for exercising and relieving stress. Not only is it suitable for pets to play and chew alone, but it can also be used as a cage decoration. Our hamster toy with straw cake corn peel, loofah, sepak takraw, and other colorful accessories can easily attract pets to play. What we like: natural and safe chew toys. Improve dental health. Hanging chew toys. What we don't like: may be a potential health hazard. Number 4. Small animals play and activity balls rolling chew toys. Natural chew toy for rabbit and help to keep your pet's teeth from becoming overgrown. The perfect alternative to plastic toys. It is recommended for rabbits, guinea pigs, bunnies, chinchillas, grddaef, or other rodents. And play and treat balls are a wholesome and appealing playtime chew toy that helps to keep your pet's teeth from becoming overgrown and causing health problems, while satisfying your pet's instinct to chew. What we like: activity rolling and play balls. Chewable toys. Mobile foraging game. Easy to nibble. Ideal for rabbits, guinea pigs, bunnies, chinchillas, grddaef, or other rodents. Also a gift choice for your furry friends. What we don't like: the balls aren't decent sized. Number 5. Yesland 12-pack woven bed mat for chinchilla. Yesland grass mat and bunny bedding nest mat was made of 100% natural hand-woven grass. This bunny bedding nest is perfect for small animals, which can provide utmost comfort to them. They can also be multiple. You can use it as a bedding or a chewable toy. You can rest assured that pet bites because they are natural handmade mats. A good grass mat choice for rabbits, chinchillas, guinea pigs, birds, and mummy dogs or cats. What we like: made of natural dry grass. Very soft. Perfect for small animals. What we don't like: not feed off all cages. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.